Hello everyone, welcome to the SQRT channel. In this video, we are going to take a problem from SAT. This video is different from previous videos. In the previous videos, we took problems from different math competitions and Olympiads around the globe. We talked about problems that appeared in JEE and also JEE Main. Now, let's focus on SAT here. In this SAT problem, we have a geometry problem. We have a circle, the radius of the circle OB is 6. And we have a triangle OBC, and we know that OB and BC are making a right angle at B. We also know that AC here is equal to OB. We are going to find the area that we have in blue. Before moving forward to talk about the solution, make sure that you pause the video to think about this problem. To solve this problem, let's start with finding the value that we have for BC. Remember, OBC is a right triangle, so we can say that BC to the power of 2 is equal to OC squared minus OB squared. Since OA is the radius of the circle, and we know that the radius of the circle is 6, so OA is going to be 6 too, and we know that AC is also 6. So OC is going to be 12, and we can write 12 to the power of 2 minus 6 to the power of 2 is going to be BC to the power of 2. As a result, BC can be calculated as SQRT root of 6 times 18, which can be written as 6 times SQRT root of 3. Now that we know BC is equal to 6 SQRT root of 3, we are going to find the area that we have for the circle first and then for the triangle. The area of the circle can be calculated as pi times the radius of the circle to the power of 2, which can be written as pi times 6 to the power of 2 or 36 pi. On the other hand, the area that we have for the triangle OBC can be calculated as OB times BC times 1 over 2. Since OBC is a right triangle, if we replace the values that we have, we are going to find 6 times 6 SQRT root of 3 over 2, which can be written as 18 SQRT root of 3. Now that we have the area of the circle and also the area of the triangle, we can find the area that we have for the shaded area. But before doing that, we need to find one more item here. First of all, we need to find the angle that we have here for alpha. How to find the value that we have for alpha here? One way is to use cosine of alpha. The other way, which is easier here, is to find that, first of all, the triangle that we have is a right triangle, so B is 90 degrees. We also note that the value that we have for OC is 12, and the value that we have for OB is 6. So OB is 6 and OC is 12, and we can say that the angle that we have for C in this triangle is going to be 30 degrees. As a result, alpha can be calculated as 90 minus 30, which is 60. Now we have the value that we have for alpha. The next step is going to be finding the percentage or the area that we have for the sector OBA. To do this, we know that the whole area of the circle is going to be the value that we found before, 36 pi. And the sector that we have for AOB is part of the whole circle. It is basically 60 over 360 times the area of the circle. We can find the answer as 1 over 6 times 36 pi, which is 6 pi. Now that we have the area of the sector and also the area of the triangle, we can write and find the final area that we are requested. We can find the area of the blue region as the area of the triangle minus the area of the sector, which can be written as 18 square root of 3 minus 6 pi. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching the video. If you would like to see more puzzles, math involved activities, problems from different math competitions, and Olympiads, please kindly subscribe to this channel. This is the Security channel. See you in the next video.